Hello traders, this video is about using market structure and the anchored VWAP to find perfect entries into your trades. As an example, I use gold and the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I changed my chart colors to a dark mode with blue and white candles. I don't want to start a discussion about chart colors here. If you prefer a lighter tone, that's totally fine, but then don't send me your charts, don't talk to me. For me, you don't even exist. Okay, according to my MBE Master Breaker execution strategy, the 4-hour is my master and the last leg I see is bullish. We have a higher high and a higher low, and I use the fib tool with a 50% line to mark this leg. I want the price to come into this discount so that we can buy cheap. I'm here in replay mode and I go one step further, one 4-hour candle, and you see that it is rejecting at this 4-hour level. I also see this 4-hour support, which is untested, a fresh level, and we are closing above. Okay, a very good indication that we can go up from this level. Now, assuming that this really happens and that we find an entry to the upside, let's see to which level we can go, and I see another level that is untested, and this is this 4-hour resistance. I don't want to assume that we are going to take out the previous high. My first TP is this resistance. Alright, now how to find a buy entry from this point? Very simple. I switch to a lower time frame, the 15 minutes, and before I enter I want to see a bullish structure on this time frame. Okay, the first thing I see is a reversal pattern. We are breaking this resistance here. That is great, but not enough for a confirmation that we are really going to the upside. So what I do is I wait and see. So go forward here in the replay, and what we get is a candle to the downside. Okay. And this is the time where I add an anchored VWAP. And while I'm stepping forward in the replay, I see that the closing price is below this VWAP, and I wait for price to close above. This happens here, but this candle is really big. I mean, okay, it's a nice strong bullish candle. We could enter the trade here. The stop loss to the previous swing low and the TP as defined. That's a 2-hour trade, not bad. But have a look at this, price is coming down. And the entry is getting better and better. I want to buy above the VWAP, but I also want to buy close to it. And now have a look at this candle. It is testing our support. Now we could enter, for instance, now with a buy stop above this candle. And I use this entry technique pretty often. An entry that you might know from this thread, just another technique to increase the win rate. The second option is that you wait for the next candle to close, and it is closing above the VWAP. It is small, a pretty good entry. Okay, so let's take the trade here. You see the risk to reward, if we make it to the TP, is decent. About 25 contracts here in the replay. So let's play it out and see if we hit the target. So you see, to the pip, if I would close the trade here, this is a risk to reward of about 1 to 3. Guys, we are discussing these trades every single day in the Discord. I bring up the charts and the possibilities. This one was for Bitcoin with an 8-hour move, so join the TG members, it's great. If you need a broker that has low spreads and low commissions, then I can highly recommend Hankotrade. The link to register is in the description below, and this process is absolutely simple. You don't need KYC documents, it's all crypto based, just register and trade. Link is in the description, give it a try. If you like the video guys and the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also join the Discord and the TG members. The link is in the description below. If you still have any questions, then add these to the comments and I'll see you here on the trading guide.